Shut up and sit down.
10 lines on unity is strength for students and children in English. Set 1. 10 lines on unity is strength for kids. Set 1 is helpful for students of classes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 1. Unity is very important for any team or group. Number 2. Only when we are united, we can enjoy the taste of success. Number 3. Unity is the essence of a group's happiness. Number 4. We should always remember unity is strength. Number 5. Unity means oneness or togetherness. Number 6. You cannot break a heap of brick, but you can break a single brick. Number 7. A family is called a family only when the members live together. Number 8. We celebrate all festivals together. Number 9. If we stand together, we can fight any problem. Number 10. Unity shows us we should judge people on their religion. Set 2. 10 lines on unity is strength for school students. Set 2 is helpful for students of classes 6, 7 and 8. Number 1. For the betterment of the country and countrymen, we have to live united. By doing this, every individual can contribute to the success of the country. Number 2. To help the needy, united effort is a must. If you make a joint effort, you can help others easily. Number 3. Unity saves us from thieving, robbery, smuggling, and mischief. Number 4. You must avoid personal selfishness to become united. Keep aside your disturbance with each other to become united. Number 5. Unity is a powerful weapon that you can use to become successful in trade and commerce. Number 6. Unity has great value in every walk of life. Number 7. When we are united, we get multiple ideas. Number 8. Only when we are united, we are respected. Number 9. We should also be united so that we can reach great heights in our life. Number 10. When we focus on teamwork and collaboration, great things happen. Set 3. 10 lines on unity is strength for higher class students. Set 3 is helpful for students of classes 9, 10, 11, 12 and competitive exams. Number 1. Only countries that have been together from ancient days have got their place in history. Number 2. When divided, individuals cannot achieve what they had hoped for. Number 3. Unity is an essential etiquette in our life. We must follow ethics properly. Number 4. Togetherness makes things easy. Sometimes we cannot do things alone. We need the support of others. Number 5. People have to show faith in each other. Only then they can be united. Number 6. Unity eliminates the barriers of society like racism and casteism. One cannot discriminate against people. Number 7. We can fight terrorism by standing tall with unity. This gives enough power to our soldiers fighting on the border. Number 8. One cannot survive alone. Unity is essential. Togetherness makes things easier and smooth. Number 9. With unity and cooperation, we can achieve everything. Number 10. A nation cannot become a developed nation without unity. The people of the country must show unity in diversity.